Good evening, everyone. We'll be starting the training right away. So, before we start, I will advise every one of us to do away with all forms of distraction. Make sure you are in a quiet place where you'll be able to listen to this and view this very well. And also, try as much as possible to get a jotter and a pen so that you can keep some of the points that we'll be sharing tonight. So, I promise we will be sharing a lot of valuable points and you will be needing them in the nearest future when you want to implement the training that will be given tonight. So I welcome you once again. So we'll start right away. Then I also want to encourage you to try as much as possible to implement this class, what you'll be learning from here. Try as much as possible to implement them right away. So what we observe is majority of the students that go through trainings like this, they have the training, they pick interest, but at the end of the day they don't implement. So most of the students don't implement the training, so majority of the students don't get results. But for the few students that implement, those are the ones that often get good results, and those that implement fast are the ones that gets good results. So make sure you don't procrastinate. Try as much as possible to get this done immediately, as quick as you can, and we will try our possible best to support you in every area where you need our support to get started and to make good profit from this. So let's move on. So our topic tonight is smart forex trading, the copy and paste signal method, just like we have in the information we gave you earlier. Smart forex trading, copy and paste signal method. So before we move forward, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jide Adedeji. I'm an accountant by profession. But I picked interest in online businesses. I'm an e-commerce expert and I'm also a profitable forex trader. I'm a father of two and I have a beautiful wife. So I want you to know that every one of us here and every one of you here is important. So thank you for being here tonight, and we will give you our possible best. So these are our topics today. We'll be going through them one after the other, and we will not take much of your time. So be rest assured that we will try to make this as succinct as possible, and as we'll try to explain them as possible so that we'll make it as simple as possible. So our topics are: number one, introduction to foreign exchange. Secondly, we'll be looking at basic needed terms in forex trading, and number three, we'll be looking at smart forex trading, which is the main topic for tonight. Then we'll be looking at how much you can make monthly with our signal. Then number five, we'll be looking at how you can join the LI Forex Signal group. Then we'll be looking at the conditions to qualify for 2 months free signal with LI Forex group. Then the last but not the least, we'll be looking at the cash bonuses from our sponsors. So right now we'll dive into the training proper. Introduction to foreign exchange. Introduction to foreign exchange. So when we talk about foreign exchange, we can also refer to as forex. So what are we talking about? We often use foreign exchange, we use forex, sometimes we will say financial market. So forex simply means foreign exchange. Then the foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world. It has a volume of over $6.5 trillion daily. So the transaction that is being carried out in foreign exchange is around 6.5 trillion US dollar daily. So if we compare it to oil and gas, transport, stocks and aviation and so on, we can easily see that it has a very big market, and it's actually equate to more than 3 times the total amount of stocks and future markets combined. That is, when we combine stocks and future markets, that is other markets being carried out in the economy for profit making reason, forex is times 3 of all these combined. So we can see that is a very huge business. It has a very huge market. Then what do we trade when we talk about forex? What do we actually trade in forex? So the simple answer is money. We trade money in forex, just like every other businesses where we use money as a medium of exchange. Forex is not left out. So what we actually trade in forex majorly is money. So in forex we can buy and we can sell. So we always buy, mostly we buy one currency against the other. So we actually trade currencies through we trade forex through brokers. Brokers are like registered companies who has the platform on which individuals and organizations can register to trade. So we trade forex through brokers. They are like dealers that have the platform on which we can trade. So for example, we trade euro, we trade US dollar, we trade Japanese yen, we trade Great Britain pounds. So forex is an over-the-counter business, but we do not carry it out physically. We carry it out online through the use of a mobile phone or an internet. Through the use of an internet-enabled mobile phone or through the use of your system, you can carry out forex. So it's not a physical market. We carry it out online. So we can just a perfect example I can give is let's say Mr. Ade went to the Sabo market, gets some dollar. Maybe Mr. Ade likes to keep some dollar in his wallet, so he goes to Sabo market. Let's say today, goes to Sabo market today, get $100 notes at the rate of 400 naira, for example. Let's say the following day, Mr. Ade is listening to breakfast news, and he heard that dollar is now worth 420 naira. The same dollar which he bought at the rate of 400 naira is now worth $420. In the afternoon, Mr. Ade simply goes back to Sabo market and exchanges $100 to naira. So at the rate of 400 naira per dollar, Mr. Ade spent 40,000 naira to get these $100 notes. By the time he goes to the market the following day, he is exchanging it with profit of 20 naira per dollar. So Mr. Ade is now making 42,000 naira instead of the 40,000 naira he invested. So this is a perfect example of how forex works. So we buy and we sell in forex. So when we are talking about forex, you can just look at it as if you are buying a share in a particular country. When we are talking about currency trading, when you are trading currency, it's like you are buying the share of a particular country's economy. For example, a Japanese yen. If you are buying a Japanese yen, we can say that you are buying a share in Japanese economy. So as the economy of Japan is going up, as people speculate that the economy of Japan will go up, maybe due to some political decisions or some economic changes in Japan, you see that their economy is going to boost and there is going to be some boom. Then their currency will also appreciate in value. Then also, if people think that the economy of Japan, maybe due to some political reasons or some other news, maybe through natural as a result of some natural disasters or pandemic, people view it as that their economy is going to have some issues. Japan is going to also lose the currency of Japan, which is the Japanese yen, is going to also lose some value. So this is how forex works. So in general, we can say the exchange rate of a currency versus currencies of other nations, it reflects the condition of the economy of that country in relation to that other country. So the currency of each country actually reflects how healthy the economy of that country is. So if a country's economy is very healthy and the country is doing well, so also will their currency be doing well. Then also, if the economy of a country is going down or is not doing well, the currency of that country will also be going down. So like I said earlier, foreign exchanges, the market is being run electronically, so it's being carried out on the internet. So then it is a 24 hours market. It is being done around the clock, so you can trade forex as long as the markets are open any time of the day. So all you need to get started is your computer and your smartphone with high-speed internet connection. Then which currencies are being traded in forex? Like I said earlier, we trade the US dollar, for example, which is the United States dollar. We can designate it as a USD. It is generally referred to as a buck. Then we can trade euro, which is designated as a EUR. It is the currency of the European nations. So we normally refer to euro as fiber. Then Japanese yen, we have the Great Britain pound, we have the Swiss franc, which is CHF, we have the Canadian dollar, which is CAD, we have the Australian dollar, and many other currencies. So forex currency symbols are always in 3 letters. The first 2 letters identify the name of the country, while the third letter always identify the name of that country's currency. Also, why do we trade currencies, or why do we trade forex? So there are many benefits and advantages of trading forex compared to when we are trading physical products. So let me just mention few. In forex, there is no commissions. You don't pay commission to a government, you don't pay commission to bank or any other person. So in forex, there is no commission. There is no clearing fees, unlike many importation where you pay to clear your goods. In forex, there is no clearing fees since it's done electronically on the internet. So you don't pay any fee to anybody to clear your goods. It's not a physical product that you pay a clearing fee to clear. So there is no clearing fee in forex. There is no tax in forex. You carry out forex by yourself on the internet, so you don't pay tax to any government. So there is no tax in government, unlike when you are buying and selling physical products that you pay tax. In forex, you don't pay tax. There is no government fee. So in forex, you don't pay any government fee, and also there is no brokerage fees. Unlike when you invest through some independent brokers and other registered brokers, this is actually common in developed nations where they make use of service of experts to invest their fund. So they pay brokerage fees. But in forex, you trade by yourself, you don't pay brokerage fees. The only way in which you pay is through spreads. When you are buying and selling, there is always a little difference between the amount you are buying and the amount you are selling each currency or each commodity. So that is where the forex company or forex brokers make their income from. So you don't pay brokerage fee, though you pay through spread. Then there is no middleman. No middleman in Forex. You trade directly by yourself, except if you decide to hire or invest through someone. If you want to trade directly by yourself, there is no middleman in Forex. So those are the advantages of a Forex trading. So let's move on. Basic needed terms in foreign exchange. Basic needed term in Forex trading or foreign exchange. So we have some terms that we generally use in Forex. Before you start Forex trading, you need to be familiar with some of these terms. So I will mention some of them and I will explain them one after the other. So why a larger in Forex trading, the terms that we have include the lot size. The lot size determines the volume of transactions that you are placing at a particular time. In Forex, the volume of transactions that you are trading is usually measured in lots. One lot is equal to 100,000 US dollar. So that's the standard lot size. So if you are trading one lot in Forex, that means you are trading 100,000 US dollar. Then we have the mini lot. The mini lot means 10,000 US dollar. Then we have the micro lot, which is 1,000 US dollar. So if you are trading one lot, you are trading 100,000 US dollar. Don't forget, if you are trading mini lot, which is a 10,000 US dollar, that means you are trading 0.1 lot. Then if you are trading micro lot, which is a 1,000 US dollar, you are trading 0.01 lot. So you can now trade like 0.02 lot, that's 2,000 US dollars, 0.05 lot, that's 5,000 US dollar at a particular time. So the lot size determines the amount, the particular amount or the volume of your transaction at each and every time you trade. Then aside from that, we have the spread. Like I said earlier, the spread is the difference between the ask and bid price. That's the difference between the amount you are buying and the amount you are selling. Then we have the take profit. Take profit. Take profit is used in Forex to close your transactions profitably. We have take profit. So whenever you are trading, you set your take profit so that when the price reach a particular profit level, your transaction will close automatically in profit. So there are transactions that will be making profit, and at a particular point the transaction will reverse and go back to loss. So when you have your take profit set properly, when it reach a particular profit level that you have already set, the transaction will close and you have made profit for that particular trade. There is no risk again involved in that particular trade because it has closed profitably. Also, we have the opposite of it, which is the stop loss. We use stop loss to close our trade so that we will not lose all our money. It is like a medium we use to control our loss in Forex. So we always set our take profit and stop loss in Forex. For stop loss, once you set the particular amount, you are now instructing the trade to close at that particular amount. So in case your trade is not going as planned and the trade is making loss, when it gets to that particular amount that you have already set, the trade will close automatically. So instead of you to continue to lose your fund at that particular price, the trade will close so that it will secure other fund you have in that particular wallet. So your loss will only be limited to the amount you have lost before it gets to that particular price which you have set. That's the stop loss. We also have many other terms in Forex trading. As time goes on, we will be mentioning each and every one of them, and when in other trainings or videos that you get from us, we will explain them very well. Then we have the smart forex trading. This is the reason why we are here today. Smart forex trading, this is our major topic for today. So why a large percentage of forex traders lose their fund while trading? Banks and large corporations actually make good profit from this, daily, weekly, monthly, and at the end of the year. This is actually major source of income for the banks and for some of these financial institutions that we see around that declare huge profit year in year out. Many of them trade forex and make huge profit from it. While forex can be traded by individuals, these big corporations hire top experts to trade for them, and they invest heavily in this forex trading to make huge income. So banks and large corporations make huge income from forex daily and yearly. So what we are doing is the same top experts that these bank and large corporations use, we have an affiliation with them. Then the same trades they are placing to make this profit, they share it with us, and we also trade this in form of signals to also make profit. So these top experts being hired by banks and large corporations, the same trade they are placing to make this huge profit they are making, they also share it to some of us, so that we also trade at a particular fee, so that we also make the same trade to make huge profit. This is the same trade with our affiliation with these top experts that we are providing with you, providing for you to also trade to make huge profits. So this is where smart forex trading comes out. You don't need to learn forex trading in total. Then the fear of losing your fund is no longer there, since you are placing the same set of trade being traded by top experts in Europe and America most time. These are the trades that they are making to make trading to make profit. You also copy and trade the same signals on your app, on your forex app, and make huge profit from it. So this is how smart forex trading works. So these signals that the experts release, they have accuracy of around 70 to 80%. So your winning rate is around 70 to 80% when you use these signals. So as much as you ensure proper risk management, which we will also show you how to do. So we will show you how to ensure proper risk management. We're telling you the kind of volume you are expected to trade to keep your fund secured, or to keep your fund from major loss. So we will show you the kind of volume that you have to trade to prevent your total loss of your fund. Then when you trade with these highly accurate signals, you make huge income from it. So that is the service we majorly offer. You get signals from us Monday to Friday, get 3 to 5 signals per day. Then you trade this same signal. It's just like you making copy and paste to make huge profit from forex trading. So you don't have to worry about learning how to trade. You don't have to worry about losing your fund, because the signals are highly accurate. You don't have to worry about the risk involved. You only have to worry about making sure that you ensure proper risk management. You get these signals from the us being traded by the same top experts from banks and big financial institutions. You trade these signals and you make huge income. That is what smart forex trading is all about. So how much can you make monthly with our signal? So the target we often set for our students is that you'll be able to double your fund each month. If you ensure proper risk management with our forex signals and you trade correctly, you'll be able to double your fund each month. Let's assume you are trading with $100. We give a target that you'll be able to make another $100 at the end of the month. That means you'll be able to double your fund to $200 in that month. Then let's assume you are trading with 70 US dollar, which is the minimum amount we allow our members to fund with. We will give you target of 70 to 100 US dollar at the end of the month. So if you are trading with 70 US dollar, you set target of making a profit of 70 US dollar in that particular month. That is like doubling your money. If you are trading with 200 US dollar, you set a target of getting a profit of 200 US dollar in that particular month. So we always encourage you to trade with bigger fund. If you are trading with bigger fund, you can always minimize your risk, and at the same time you can trade a little bigger lots to make better profit. So we always encourage you to trade with bigger fund if you can afford it. But if you cannot afford much bigger fund, the minimum we take so that you will be able to still ensure proper risk management is 70 US dollar. So we have a lot of our students that are doing well, and also ourselves that we are using these signals, we are doing so well. You'll be seeing the testimonies from many of our students that are using our signals. So you have nothing to worry about. You are trading with accurate signals, and we also show you how to make good use of these signals and how to trade the signals correctly to ensure you make good profit from this. And while you are also doing this, we also provide you resources that you train with, so that as you are making profit already, you are also learning how to trade by yourself, how to do analysis in forex, so that at the end of the day, at the end of the period, you'll be able to trade by yourself and also make profit. So you are killing two birds with one stone. You start immediately, you start making profit from day one that you start. Then at the same time, we are providing you with our forex course, so that you are also learning how to trade to make profit, to be an expert forex traders. Some of our students have also used these same resources, and they are now traders who are able to trade by themselves and make good profit. So if you look at how much you can make from this, you can have the target of being able to double your fund. If you are funding with $70, you should have a target of 70 US dollar profit. If you are trading with 100 US dollar, you should have a target of 100 US dollar profit. So why most of the forex traders lose in forex, we actually have about 90% of forex traders who lose their fund in forex. It is easy to lose money in forex. I want to take note of that. And it is also easy to make money in forex. So it depends on your skills, the skill you have, and your level of discipline. So why do most of the traders in forex lose their money? Number one, greed. This is one of the major reasons why most of the forex traders lose their money. People often come and they want to double their money in a single day, and it is possible, but it is very risky. In forex, you can make as much as possible, but when you trade with big profits in view, you are trading with very high risk. So it's better you grow your profit gradually and grow your fund gradually than to grow it rapidly then lose everything in a single day. So most of the forex traders that trade, they lose their money due to greed. Then others lose their money due to lack of knowledge of trading. So that's another big major reason why most people lose their money in forex: lack of knowledge of trading. You see people, someone just see that some people are making money in forex, he just jump into it without having proper knowledge of it, and he starts trading. So that's why most of the people lose their fund, due to greed and due to lack of knowledge and information in forex trading. So that is why we are here, so that we can guide you from the start, and we provide you all necessary resources. You start making profit from day one, and at the same time you are learning how to trade by yourself to get better. So whether you are a newbie, this is suitable for you. whether you are a trader who is already trading, you've not been able to grow your fund, or you are losing your fund. So this is for you. We provide you accurate forex signals which you trade for free. Then we also give you forex resources. If the course is going for 60,000 naira currently to our students that will sell it, so we want to make this also available for you, so that while you are trading and making profit instantly, you are also learning how to trade and analyze the market by yourself. So you should have the do not go greedy. So I will just encourage you, don't be greedy, learn to grow this gradually and steadily. Thank God our signals are accurate, you can always grow your fund, but you do not make profit in all the trades. No matter how accurate a forex trader is, you cannot make profit in 100% of all the trades, or 100% of the trades. You always have people with high level of accuracy, expert traders with high level of accuracy. Let's say you win 4 out of 5 trades, you are in profit. Even if you win 3 out of 5 trades, if you ensure proper risk management, you will still be able to grow your fund. So with our signal that has 70 to 80% accuracy, you will always be able to grow your fund as much as you ensure proper risk management and you trade the signals correctly. So make sure you grow your fund steadily. Don't get greedy. Grow your fund steadily, and with us you can grow. Over a period of time, you just discover that your fund has grown to a very big size. So learn to do it steadily and continuously. So that is how much you should have as a target. You should have the target to be able to double your fund every month. Then these are some testimonies from some of our students. So this is one of our students. He made profit of 99.43 US dollar. This is a single day trade. He was able to make a profit of 99.43 US dollar in a single day. Then this is another one from Mr. Blitz. So he was thanking us. He was having $30 US dollar. He has actually lost his money before. So his money was $30 US dollar when he joined us. Then he was able to grow his fund to 75 US dollar with us over a very short period. Then he's even having a target of 100 US dollar. So these are some of the testimonies from our current students. So this is another one. He made a profit of 49 US dollar in a single day. Then this is another one from Mr. Michael, Investor Michael. So he had 36 US dollar in his account, and he was able to grow it to 83 US dollar. And even in a single day again, after that, he was able to grow it with another 78 US dollar. So these are testimonies from real people who are trading with our signals. So this is another testimony. You can see that this person is making profit in all his trades. He started with 50 US dollar, then he's been able to grow it to 74 US dollar, 74.30 US dollar within a short period of time. Then we have another, this is actually the status that was shared by one of our students. You can see the profits he made. It was the person that made 78.97 US dollar. So the person I talked about that made 78 US dollar, this is the status view. So he was thanking us. He was able to make 78.97 US dollar in a single day. Then we have this person that also opened with 50 US dollar. He was able to grow it to 66 US dollar in just 1 week. So we always promise you that you will be able, we give target. We want you to make target that you'll be able to double your fund in a month, but there are sometimes you make far more than that. But make sure you ensure proper risk management, and there are sometimes you grow far more than your target. Then also there are sometimes we may not get to that target a little, but most times you always outperform that target. It's a business. You don't know, we are actually speculating to trade. You don't have a particular fixed amount that you are expecting. So as you are trading, there are days that you are lucky, you grow it drastically. There are days that the market is not so good, you grow it gradually. There are days you make losses also. It's not 100% gain. But in forex, if you are able to win 3 out of 5 trades, you win 4 out of 5 trades. There are days we even win the 5 trades. We give 3 to 5 signals in a day. There are days we win all the signals. In those days, we just have huge profit for all our members. All our members will just make huge profit. There are days we win 3 or 4 out of 5 trades, but mostly we win 3 to 5 trades out of 5 if we share 5 signals. Then this is another person that started with 120 US dollar. In 3 weeks, he was able to grow it to 188.63 US dollar. So as you can see from the testimonies being shared by our members, I will be happy if you can also join us and share your own testimonies just like this. These are the things that give us some kind of encouragement to keep doing what we are doing, and these are the things that also make us happy that people are really getting results from what we are giving. So it makes us, encourage us, kind of give us some encouragement to do more of what we are doing. So very soon, I know by God's grace, I will be getting this kind of testimonies from you also, and that will make me very happy. Then what we want to offer you now, as you are here now, we want to grant you 2 months free access to our Forex Signal group. Normally we charge 100 US dollar per month for our Signal group, but tonight we want to give you 2 months free access to this same Signal group, and with this mouth-watering bonuses that is worth 176,000 naira. So tonight, because you are here, we are offering you a bonus worth of 176,000 naira. So it includes, we'll be giving you, number one, 2 months free membership to our premium Signal group. Is valued at 100,000 naira. We can see that 100 US dollar is around 50,000 naira. So we'll be giving you 2 months access, free membership access to our Signal group. So that is worth 100,000 US dollar. Then number two, we'll be giving you our full Forex training video course that goes for 60,000 naira. Then we'll be giving you 3 top life-changing ebooks. These are actually ebooks that have changed lives. These are best-selling ebooks that is useful for both forex trading and for any form of business you are doing. We actually discovered that all of us are marketers. You are either buying or selling something. So whether you are you work for an organization, you work for government, you work for yourself, you are self-employed, we are all offering a particular goods or service. So we are all into the business of offering a particular goods or service. No matter what you do, you are either selling goods or you are either offering services to people. So these are some of the books that will help you in this purpose. So we have the Candlestick Trading Bible. Is a very good trading ebook, forex trading ebook. Then we have the Sell Like Crazy by Zubi. If you are a digital marketer or if you are into e-commerce, you will be familiar with or even on Facebook you'll be seeing Zubi's book Sell Like Crazy. So we'll be giving you the best-selling ebook by Zubi. Then we'll be giving you the Copywriting Source book by Andy Marson. This book will enable you to be able to craft good reports and to be able to do good negotiations when you are negotiating with people. Then lastly, we'll be giving you, for the first 5 people to join our Signal group, we'll be giving you 1,000 naira recharge card for the line you are using, for the network you are using. For the first 5 people to join our Signal group, we'll be offering you 1,000 naira recharge card. So what do you need to do to get all these mouth-watering offers? So these are the conditions to qualify for our 2 months free signal and other bonuses mentioned just now. Number one, all those bonuses we are giving them to you free of charge, but there is a condition you have to meet before you get all those bonuses, that is worth 176,000 US dollar. So these are the conditions that you have to meet before you can get those. You have to sign up with our reliable forex broker through our unique registration link. That's the number one. So to get all those our full forex course, to get 2 months free membership to our premium signal group where you make huge profit, whether you are a newbie or whether you are a forex trader that is already into forex, you get 2 months free access to our signal group. That is enough to make you good profit even in a single month, talk of 2 months. Then you get our full forex training video, which we normally sell for 60,000 naira in the market. It has helped a lot of people to start their forex trading journey, and they are now doing well. It is a very good course which will enable you to learn forex trading from the scratch until you turn into an expert within few months. So these are the things you need to get this mouth-watering offer. Whether you want to learn forex trading from the scratch, you are a newbie, or whether you are already into forex, so you need to consider taking this. You need to sign up with our reliable forex broker through our unique registration link. Number two, you send me the screenshot of your success page after you sign up for confirmation. So what you first do is we will provide you with our forex broker, very reliable forex broker. They are reliable. You get instant deposit and withdrawal. If you want to deposit, you get it instantly. Within some minutes your money will be deposited in your account, and you can actually use a bank transfer to deposit and to withdraw directly to your Nigerian bank account here. So we have tested them. They've existed for more than 10 years and our students are using them. They are doing so well, and they have a very good platform where you can trade. The platform is easy and simple to use. That's why we always recommend them to our students. So for you to qualify for our 2 months free signal and other bonuses, you have to sign up with our registration link. Then you send me screenshot of your success page after you sign up for confirmation. Then thirdly, you have to verify your account using your ID card and proof of address. Just like any financial institution, if you are opening with a bank or any other financial institution, it's just the same way because they deal with money. So you have to verify your account with your ID card and proof of address. The ID card they accept can be any government issued ID card. So they accept NIN slip, they accept national ID card, the plastic type, they accept a voter's card, the plastic card, and they accept international passport, they accept driver's license. That's for the proof of address. So if you have any of these ID documents, you can use them for proof of address. Then for that's for proof of ID. For proof of ID, you can use any of those documents mentioned, either your driver's license, your international passport, your voter's card, your NIN slip, or any other government issued ID card. So you can use them for your proof of ID. Then for your proof of address, you can use your NEPA bill, that's the utility bill. Only if your name is the name registered on the utility bill, that's when you can use the utility bill. Then you can use your bank statement. You can use your NIN slip with address on it. That's the original copy of that NIN slip with address on it. You can use it for proof of address. Then if you are using the NIN slip as proof of address, you will also snap a selfie photo of yourself. You snap a selfie of yourself, that's a photo of yourself holding the NIN slip. So in addition to you uploading the photo of NIN slip, you also upload a photo of yourself, a picture of yourself holding the NIN slip. Make it as bold as possible just to show your face and the NIN slip that you are holding. So how do you upload these documents? You snap them clearly with your camera phone, you make sure all the four sides of the documents are showing, then you upload each of the documents on the spaces that will be provided. Then number 4, you fund your account with minimum of 70 US dollar, that's a 35,000 naira in naira, to trade. So you are not paying any money to us. What all the services and all the bonuses we are offering to you is free, but we want to be sure that you are serious about this and you want to start. So we want to you to do all this before we add you to our signal group, and we share all other bonuses with you, including our full forex course. So you, after you verify your account, you fund your account with minimum of 70 US dollar, which is 35,000 naira equivalent in Nigeria. Then after funding, you download the trading app from your account page after account verification. So if you also need this app, maybe you want to get the link directly to download the app, you can just DM me to send you the link to download the app directly. So after you have opened your account through our link, share the screenshot of your success page after registration with us to confirm. Verify your account using your ID card and proof of address, and your account has been fully verified. You will fund with minimum of 70 US dollar, which is 35,000 naira in Nigerian currency. Then you will download the trading app from your from the page, from the Forex page, as MT5 trading app from the Forex page. Then you will log in to the trading app, then you are ready to trade. Then after you download, you will be trained by me on how to trade the signal if you are new to Forex, and you'll be added to our premium signal group. So if you are new to Forex trading, just like many of our students that started with us, majority of our students started their Forex trading journey with us, and now they can boast of good profit, of having made good profit from this business. So we see Forex trading as a business. It's not a Ponzi scheme. It's not something you jump into and you just want to make the whole of the profit in a single day. You try to grow it gradually. So you need to treat it like a business. So you know, business is something you grow over time. So Forex trading is also like that. If you want to remain in the market for a very long time and you want to make good profit from it, you need to treat it like a business. So then you will be trained by me if you are new to Forex trading. Don't worry, if you are new, we will give you the necessary trainings you need to start and to be profitable. Then you will log in. Lastly, you will log into your downloaded app and trade the signals that we'll be sharing with you. So those are the conditions to qualify for our free signal. We are not charging you any fee, but we want to be sure that you are ready to start and you are serious about this and you are ready to make profit with this. So we will only add you to our signal group if you meet up with these conditions, and we also provide you with full Forex course, so that while you are trading and making profit, you can also be learning Forex, how to trade in full, so that you can also become an expert Forex trader within few months, just like our old students. Then after you are signed up with our Forex broker using our unique registration link, you are funded and you have verified and funded your account with $70 minimum. You can fund with more. We always encourage you to fund with more if you have more fund at your disposal, because the higher the fund, I normally encourage our students to fund with 200 US dollar, but due to the economic situation of the country, we have to just adjust it a little so that we can be able to encourage others, even those who do not have much fund, so that they can also join us and at least grow their fund to a good extent. So if you can afford more, I will advise you to open with more than 70 US dollar, because if you are trading with bigger money, you can actually minimize your risk. You can trade with a smaller risk, and at the same time you can make bigger profit while you are trading. If you are trading with smaller fund and you want to ensure proper risk management, that means you have to trade small lot size also, so that you won't lose your money in a single trade. Also, if you are trading with big money, you can increase your lot size a little and still ensure proper risk management. So that is why it's better to trade with bigger fund in forex, you are able to make huge profit compared to someone that is trading with small fund, and at the same time you are able to minimize, to reduce your risk more compared to someone that is trading with a smaller fund. So the minimum we take to add it to our signal group is $70. Then you send me the screenshot of your funded account. After you have funded your account, you send me the screenshot so that I will confirm before I will add you to our premium signal group and send you the access link to all other bonuses. So those are the conditions you need to fulfill before you get access to our signal group and all other bonuses. So important notice, we are taking only 100 people for this opportunity, and based on the number of people that are accessing this training right now, these positions are likely to fill up within 72 hours. So like I said earlier, before we started this training or the class, I said you should try as much as possible to effect this immediately or as quick as possible, so that you do not procrastinate and miss out on this opportunity. So sometimes we when we train students like this, some people join us immediately, and within like a week they'll be the ones that are sharing testimonies to others that are yet to start. It always happen like that. I know it will also happen again for those that will start earlier with us, or for those of you that will start earlier with us. You are the ones that will actually share your testimonies to others. So make sure this business opportunities we are presenting to you, it works for us and it has worked for a lot of our students. So it is not something that we just bring, it is something that we are actually doing, something that is giving us results that we are recommending to you. So be rest assured that if you do this properly, you will make reasonable profit from it. So we are taking only 100 people for now, so that we'll be able to attend to them properly and we'll be able to give them the maximum support they need to be successful at this. So make sure you jump into this as quick as possible so that you will meet up with this. Then make sure you register with our broker and fund your account as fast as possible to benefit from this offer. So we are not charging you any fee, so you don't have fear of losing your money. We are not an investment company. You'll be the one to trade by yourself, but we will provide you with accurate forex signals which you trade, which our top forex experts are also trading, and you can just copy. It's just like you copying and pasting this on your forex app to trade and to make good profit. And at the same time, we will show you how to do this correctly if you are a newbie, so that you start and making profit immediately you start with us. So it is something you can actually start and get good results from within a short period of time. So make sure you act as quick as possible. There's no fear. We don't take any fund from you, so you can't lose your fund to us. You'll be the one to fund your account directly by yourself. You'll be the one to open the account by yourself. You'll be the one to verify your account by yourself. We will only guide you on how to do this. So the $70 that you are funding your account with, you are not paying it to us. You are not paying a penny to us. Everything you are doing it for your own use. So be rest assured that this is as plain as possible. We don't have any hidden agenda. We don't have any hidden fee. You don't have anything you have to pay us. All you have to do is you trade with this and make profit. That will give us a lot of joy if you can do that correctly and if you do that very well. So time for action. So make sure you take, I've always been mentioning this, because what actually affects most of our students is procrastination. Most of the people that actually, generally when people go for training, you have only few students that actually have, even in our classes in those days, when we go to the class, we have only few students that actually go back home and read what they have learned in the class, and those are the ones that mostly outperform others. So make sure you take action on this and act on it as quick as possible, and do not procrastinate so that you get good results from it. I hope to share your testimonies soon also. Then question and answer. So if you have any question or you have anything you want us to explain better to you, you can just reach us in our DM. You can just DM us, or if you are in the group, you can chat us up so that we answer the questions. So any questions you have right now, any questions that you might have, chat us up or just ask your questions in the group if you are in the group, so that we attend to them one after the other. So thank you very much. Thank you for your presence. So like I said, that we won't take much of your time. We have come to the end of the training. I wish you best of luck as you take action in this. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for being here. Take care. Bye bye.